What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Another unboxing. Let's do it. It's gonna be real quick. Even though I like these to be 10 minutes or longer, but shout out to as of today, shout out to Wayne Provo, Staff Sergeant Wayne Provo, retirement. We just went through a ceremony today, man. Congratulations to you and your family, man. You know, always a great accomplishment. Just to retire from anything, but the fact that you put in that time and you did 20 plus in any organization, especially in the United States military and the Marine Corps, man, just to say something. And I know something for you to step away from, but I know you're gonna enjoy your family. So congratulations to you with that. Let's do this unboxing. So let's do the mysterious part. We're doing May's package. We're not in June yet. May's Menlo package. I'll tell you this about Menlo. Again, such a loyal customer, but yeah, I think they do it for people coming up now. Hey, just call and ask. Size exchanges, these type of things. Everything is because of the pandemic and everything's online. They are doing a lot of exchanging and this and that and the other because you can't try it on, y'all. And they make a lot of money off of them being the competition on mailing stuff out and this, that, and other. So, so with mine, this particular month, out of all months, I really didn't. I was like, hey, for my subscription, what we're paying, I was like, man, I'm already a shoe guy. We know if you're on my channel, I'm already a shoe guy. I got a lot of shoes, so I'm like, these shoes better come with it. And I think it was like, it was for somebody that doesn't have shoes, I think it's dope. But for somebody that has a lot of shoes, I think it's just like another added on. And I was like, oh man, let me pause. And that's what you can do. You can pause the subscription, and instead of pausing, you know, they offer me, you know, a cool little discount for just keeping this month. And I don't know if that's because I'm loyal, been a long time, or they just want to do that, but it's something you can look into. You know, no promises, and you know, sorry, Menlo, if I'm putting y'all out there, but you know, I don't get paid by y'all anyway, so I'm just telling the truth, you know, on my channel and for you too. I gotta give the people what they come for, man. Something they can't get anywhere else. So, New Republic, boom. Great shoe company. Box came in a little tattered and stuff, but you know, I like to keep my boxes up, but it's real structured, so it'll hold up. What we got? Color is set slate, so a lot of people know what that is. I probably don't, but I don't. Not half. So what I like about New Republic is with the shoes come in protective plastic. I keep it in there all the time. So boom, you pull that out. But oh, okay. Yeah, like I said, I ain't know the color. It's kind of like some type of blue, but it's striking me as grayish to me. So this right here, this material right here, you're not gonna get that dirty or whatever. That's a great material. This is a nice shoe that you just throw in. You go into the airport or whatnot. Let me take these out real quick. The little you know, packages you don't eat. But yeah, so bottom sole, you gotta keep those clean, but they are clean. They are clean. Dope. I can't say any more about them. New Republic on the back. What's kind of dope is I always try to like focus. Yeah, focus. No, there you go. Wow. And then look at that. You know, detail. Back, I mean, very dope color. You come here and I don't look like an ant, y'all. I don't know. But either way, real dope detail. If you're a designer and you come with these shoes, or you respect details, you know, real good details. I give you that Van vibe. But what the Van vibe is not. This right here, this corkscrew, man, inside right there, nah. I'm telling you, that's comfortable. That's comfortable as hell, y'all. Telling you. Got 2 shoes like that already. You put your foot on this, it's comfortable. So this is like your summer, get on the beach, walk, all day, that type of thing. If you really want to do it, just do it. But real comfortable, y'all. Telling you. So again, I have so many shoes, and I was like, man, I don't need no more shoes, especially something like these. I kind of have something like this already, and I was like, man, just pause me. But they looked out for your boy, man. They look out for their subscribers and their loyal customers. So shout out to them at Menlo, man. Shout out to them. Again, they come in that fancy package, or not fancy. It's not fancy. It's just you know, covering. I like that because once you're done, put them in here, good to go. You know what I'm saying? Like, you clean them when you get home, and that's it, man. But yeah, again, oh shoot, man. You know, I'm about to end the video. With y'all, but let me tell you what else they did. What's they sending here? So, you know, you got the little authentic card. You know, thank you for celebrating with us. You know, 19 years together. So that's an anniversary card. Then you unfold this. It's not much, but it's about the count, man. Recyclable or reusable, I should say. Throw everything in there. New Republic. Check that out. Just a bag. Not to say it's like worth your money and all that stuff, but they're throwing it in there. You know what I'm saying? Shoes. Throw your shoes in there. I think it's the beach vibe. Go to the beach vibe. Oh, and guess what? If you're one of the people that shoes dirty and foo-foo and all that, I'm about to spark it, but they gave you a sample, sneaker wet wipes. So carry that with you, bam. Carry that with you, and then, you know, do your thug thizzle. Just in case you get you dirty, you know, at the beach. And then you got the brush. Wipe, you know, and you can never run out of a good brush for your shoes, you know. So that's one thing. New Republic right there. Let me see how many wipes they gave. Okay, they gave 2. So that's one more. And then, you know, boom, some cool socks, you know. The anklets like don't go too high or whatever. Light, keep you in there. Even with these shoes, I probably wouldn't wear them together, but I'm wearing them, you know. I can't never get enough of socks. So it's just a cool little package. Again, honestly, over the years, I didn't think it was. With the stuff I have, I did. Oh shoot, man! Shoot. So that one pair of socks. The goodies keep coming, y'all. So boom, them anklet socks. You know, ones you wear. You ain't gonna see in the Vans. I just saw not the Vans, the New Republic shoes. I saw these. Yeah, man. Oh, my battery about to die. So black and white, man. So You know what? It's not a bad package at all for the money. But like I said, I told them there ain't enough shoes. I want to pause for this month since it's just shoes. I'm more interested in clothes. They said, hey, cool. But hey, can we give it to you for a discount? And I said yes. I said yes, please, thank you. Anyway, till I'll talk to y'all later. Long live D-Mac. Take care of each other, y'all. All right.